Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to manage the email associated with your YouTube channel. It's important to understand that YouTube channels themselves don't possess a separate email address. Instead, your channel is directly tied to a specific Google account. Therefore, the email you see connected to your YouTube presence is simply the primary email address of that underlying Google account. There isn't a direct setting within YouTube to alter this. The change must occur at the Google account level. The only way to update the email linked to your YouTube channel is by changing the primary email address of its associated Google account. This is a multi-step process. First, you will need to add a new, alternative email address to your Google account. After successfully verifying this new address, you will then have the option to set it as the primary email for your entire Google account. This action will automatically update the email associated with your YouTube channel. Before proceeding, it's crucial to consider the broader implications. Changing your Google account's primary email will impact every single Google service connected to that account, not just your YouTube channel. This includes your Gmail, Google Drive, and many others. Make sure you can access both the old and new email addresses during the transition. Additionally, you may need to update your login details for any external services that use your Google account for authentication. To begin, open your web browser and go to My Account. Google.com to access your Google account settings. From there, locate and click on the Personal Info section. Within Personal Info, you'll find Contact Info, select Email, and then Google Account Email. You will then be guided through the steps to add your desired new email address and subsequently make it the primary email for your Google account. This action will successfully update the email associated with your YouTube channel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.